You don't need hours of trial and error, risky manual edits, or guesswork to shut down stubborn fault codes on a Mercedes ME9.7 ECU. With the right method and the CG FC200, this job can be done cleanly, safely, and in just 3 precise steps. And once you see how it works, you'll never want to do it the hard way again. Hey everyone, what's going on? This is Hussein, and welcome back to Baabji Motors, your trusted place for real-world automobile diagnostics, ECU programming tools, and workshop-tested knowledge. Today, we're diving straight into how technicians can automatically turn off diagnostic trouble codes on Mercedes ME9.7 ECUs using the CG FC200. No unnecessary complexity, no wasted time. Before we go any further, if content like this helps you level up your diagnostic skills, take a quick second to like the video and subscribe to Baabji Motors. It helps more technicians discover practical content like this, and it keeps these tutorials coming. Now, a quick and important disclaimer. This video is strictly for educational and informational purposes. The procedures shown are intended for trained technicians, learners, and automotive professionals. Always follow manufacturer guidelines, local regulations, and workshop safety practices. Any product names or trademarks mentioned belong to their respective owners and are referenced here for educational clarity only. Also, the exact tools you'll see used in this process are linked in the video description. Those links are affiliate links, which means if you choose to purchase through them, it supports Baabji Motors at no extra cost to you. And that support directly helps us keep making detailed, hands-on content like this. Now here's the real question. When working on a Mercedes ME9.7 ECU, how do you disable specific fault codes without corrupting data, damaging the ECU, or triggering new errors later on? Stick with me until the very end, because I'll share one important insight that most technicians overlook when clearing DTCs on this platform. Let's get into the process itself. The CG FC200 removes fault codes automatically using a clear, structured 3-step workflow. No complicated manual map editing is required when it's done correctly. We'll walk through this using a Mercedes equipped with a Bosch ME9.7 ECU, running on the MPC563 or MPC564 processor, a setup commonly found across multiple Mercedes gasoline models. The first step is connecting the device properly, and this is where many mistakes usually happen. Inside the FC200 software, you must first open the correct wiring diagram. The exact path is Mercedes, then Bosch ME9.7 MPC563 or 564, and then wiring diagram. This diagram is not optional. It shows the correct pin layout for power, ground, communication, and boot connections. Once you've confirmed the wiring, connect the CG FC200 ECU programmer to the ME9.7 ECU using the appropriate wiring harness. Then connect the FC200 to your computer using the USB cable. After that, supply stable external power to the FC200 itself. Clean voltage matters here, because unstable power is the fastest way to turn a simple job into a long afternoon. With everything connected correctly, you move to step 2, reading the maps. Inside the software, click on Read Maps. The CG FC200 will automatically read the calibration data directly from the ECU. In most professional cases, technicians work with the program flash data, commonly referred to as P-flash, because this area contains the logic related to diagnostic trouble codes. The reading process is quick, and once completed, you'll have the data needed to safely manage DTC control. This is one of those moments where the tool quietly does the heavy lifting for you, like a mechanic who finishes tightening bolts just before you reach for the wrench. Now, comes step 3, turning off the DTCs. After the map data is loaded, simply select the Clear DTC or Turn Off DTC function in the FC200 software. You can then choose the specific fault codes you want disabled, such as fault code 226 or 227, depending on the issue you're addressing. The software modifies the necessary logic automatically and safely. Once the operation completes, the fault codes are effectively disabled in the ECU logic. No warning lights, no repeated errors, and no need for risky trial and error edits. The process is done. And that's it. 3 steps, start to finish. Connect the device, read the maps, and turn off the DTC. Clean, fast, and workshop ready. Now let's answer the question from earlier. The safest way to disable fault codes on a Mercedes ME9.7 ECU is by using a tool that understands the ECU structure and applies changes automatically, not by guessing, copying files, or manually editing unknown parameters. That's exactly why tools like the CG FC200 exist. In my honest opinion, this workflow is one of the biggest time savers for professional technicians. When used correctly, It reduces comeback jobs, avoids ECU damage, and keeps diagnostics predictable, which is exactly what you want in a busy workshop. Here's a useful tip before you go. Always save a backup of the original ECU data before making any changes, even when using automated functions. That backup can save you hours if you ever need to revert or compare data later. If you found this breakdown helpful, I'd love to hear your experience. Drop a comment and tell me whether you're working with Mercedes ECUs already or planning to start. Let's push this video to 10,000 likes and 1,000 comments if this helped your diagnostic journey. If you relate to this kind of real workshop content, hype it up, share it with another technician, and subscribe to Baabji Motors for more no-nonsense programming guides. Don't forget, the tools used in this video are linked in the description through affiliate links, and using them is an easy way to support the channel at no extra cost. You can also support Baabji Motors even more by joining the channel membership. It directly helps us create deeper, more advanced diagnostic content for professionals like you. Thanks for watching, thanks for supporting, and, as always, keep learning, keep improving your skills, and happy diagnosing with Baabji Motors.